Hi everybody, this is the Math 20-1 Radicals and Absolute Values review. This is question 10. We're going to determine a radical expression for the length of each missing side in the following diagram. Okay, so we're looking for this side and for this one right here. The assumption being that all of these are right angles. So the very first thing we got to do though is we got to simplify the expressions that we're working with here. For example, this is going to be the same as 2 root. Okay, so 320 is 64 times 5, okay? So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good. There's my 64. Okay, times 5. And then minus 3, okay, root 24. That's going to be 8. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And so now I'm pulling out pairs of factors, and there are 3 here. So this is, I'm going to pull out a 2, a 2, a 2. Now there's already a 2 out there, so there's going to be 4 2's out there. So there'll be 16 root 5 minus, I can only pull out a single 2 out of this, so this will be minus 6 root 6. Okay, so that's the length of that top expression, that top side there. Let's take a look at this one down here. Okay. This one here is going to be 5 root, okay, well 99 is 9 times 11. That's pretty straightforward. 208 though, what is 208? If I divide that, whoops, no, that's okay. Then divide by 2. 3. Oh gee, if I divide 208 by 8, if I divide it by 16, I'm just working on the calculator here. Okay, if I divide by 16, so this is going to be 4 2's, 1, 2, 3, 4, times 13. And if you pull out pairs of factors, you're going to get 15 root 11 minus 4 root 13. Okay, down here, root 2000, okay, is going to end up being 2 times, basically 2 times 10 times 10 times 10. So 2 times 2 times 5 times 2 times 5 times 2 times 5. Should be 3 of those. And plus, well, root 6. Okay, well, root 6 you can't do anything with, so that's as good as it's going to get here. But if you pull out pairs of factors here, there's 2 pairs of 2's and a pair of 5's here. So it's going to be 20 root 5. Whoops. Sorry, I just wrote 2 there. Okay. That will end up being 20 root 5. Yeah. Yeah. And then over here, oh sorry, plus the root 6. Forgot about the root 6. And then over here, 4 root 44. Okay, that's going to be 4 root 2 times 2 times 11 minus, and then root 117. If I divide by 3 there, by 3, so I'm going to get, this will be 3 times 3 times 13. So again, pull out pairs of factors, and you're going to get 8 root 11 minus 3 root 13. Okay, now let's, just for argument's sake, let's call this x, let's call this y. X is going to be equal to this length minus this length. Okay? So x is going to equal 15 root 11 minus 4 root 13 minus, what did I put there? 8 root 11 minus 3 root 13. Okay, so 15 root 11s minus 8 root 11s is going to be 7 root 11s. Negative 4 root 13s minus negative 3 root 13s, so it's going to be plus 3, will be negative root 13. Okay, so that's the length of side x here. Side y is going to be this side minus this side. So that will be 20 root 5 plus root 6 minus, and I'll write it underneath here so we don't get confused, 16 root 5 minus 6 root 6. So 20 root 5's minus 16 root 5's, 4 root 5, and root 6 minus negative 6 root 6 is going to be plus 7 root 6. And so here are the 2 sides that we were looking for.